What's up guys? Quick little trade recap from Amsterdam. As you can see, I'm in Amsterdam for a Tribe Capital event and I'm gonna do a trade recap. It's the same trade that we already went over this week for 2 times, so let's hop into the charts. This is just to show you guys that trading is sometimes boring, but consistency is what pays. So again, we have this, it was the 24th of September. We go into replay mode, 15:30, and as you guys can see here, I analyzed market structure live on stream for the Tribe Capital members. And we started right here, leg to the upside, 2 candles, my 2 candle rule. I already explained it to you guys. I will make a dedicated video one day. Upside, downside, upside. This is just simple market structure. And purely from this, we can see that market turned bearish and market stayed basically bearish. And now we are waiting for my opening range as always from 15:30 to 15:45. And it formed right here, as you can see, 15:30, that was the top, 15:35 was the bottom. And now I know, while being in this time zone, opening range has formed, it's 15:45. Market is bearish. I know that I can take shorts no matter what if we break below the opening range. And what did we do? We closed a strong candle below the opening range. So I sent out limit orders, entry at the range low, stop loss at the range high, TP at 1.5. So 1.5 deviation from this range. Getting out my Fib tool for this. As you can see, this is the TP. And once we broke below, market was bearish. I sent out the signal to the Tribe Capital members, to the elite members. I will put it somewhere here. This is how I always send out the signals, and after that we just waited for the trade to play out. We got filled pretty quick. We had some patience, chopping around at entry, but then market quickly turned bearish as our trend, because we never trade against the trend, guys. We always go with the trend. That's why I always determine the trend before any setups. So as you can see, we entered at 15:30, around 15:45. 2 hours later, the trade hit full TP. Stop loss is always range high. When I take a short, TP is the 1.5 area, and that's always the same, guys. And I just want to show you with these things, this is now the 3rd setup that I go over with you on this system, and I had 8 trades this month from this system that basically were winners like this, with just some simple objective rules, collecting statistics on your system and quantifying your price action like we do it in Tribe Capital. So quick recap, look at market structure, wait for the opening range to form 15:30, 15:45, then trade with the trend. And that's it, guys. Basically that's simple but effective. Now I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Now we will explore Amsterdam a little bit. All my links are in the description. If you want to join Tribe Capital, if you want to have a nice prop firm to trade where you can take those setups for Bright Funded, it's also down below. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.